I'm tethered, but I'm breaking free. The ground is fading under me. Strange skies, strange skies, rise where the echoes rise, where the echoes rise. Monks chant low, their voices climb to strange skies, strange skies. Strange skies. Clouds that shimmer like broken glass, a fragile world I cannot pass. The stars they hum, they pull me near, but still I float between my fear. I'm weightless now, the air's my sea. The sky's a mirror watching me. Strange skies, strange skies, rise where the echoes rise, where the echoes rise. Monks chant low, their voices climb to strange skies, strange skies.